Back locally, police have arrested 2 doctors from Tseung Kwan O Hospital on suspicion of leaking patients' data without authorization. The hospital has notified both the Medical Council and the Office of the Privacy Commissioner for personal data over the matter. Jackie Lin with details.
Police and Tseung Kwan O Hospital representatives jointly met the press this morning. The hospital said it had received an internal complaint alleging that a staff member accessed a hospital authority clinical database, browsed patients' records without authorization, and shared the internal information with a third party, including patient's address and phone number. The hospital reported a case to police. 2 doctors, 35 years old and 57 years old respectively, were arrested on suspicion of accessing a computer with criminal or dishonest intent. Police say their investigation is now focusing on how many patients have been affected and the suspect's motives to leak the confidential information. Kenny Yoon, chief executive of Tseung Kwan O Hospital, says such actions have undermined the trust between patients and doctors, as well as the professional image of medical staff. Earlier, family members of a deceased patient at the hospital received an anonymous email containing surgical details and an audio clip suggesting a doctor admitted to wrongly piercing a patient's blood vessel. The hospital says the doctor in question had misspoken and the patient's death was linked to no surgical complications, and the case was referred to the coroner's court. So does this case involve internal strife? Yoon stresses while the hospital authority has effective channels for whistleblowing in the public interest, all actions must remain lawful, noting that such unofficial tip-offs are deemed inappropriate. The hospital says the consultant doctor involved has resigned while the associate consultant has been suspended from duty. Alex Lam, chairman of concern group Hong Kong Patients' Voices, says even with whistleblowing purposes, access to confidential information through illegal channels and data leaks can still come with legal liability and possible consequences for their professional licenses. Family members told TVB News they only learned that the hospital has invited an external team to look into the matter from the press conference, criticizing the hospital's handling as lacking in transparency. Jackie Lin, TVB News.